Hey guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the beginner level ReactJS course by me. This is the first video and in this video we're going to learn how to set up our own ReactJS project. After this video, I'm going to publish a set of videos where we're going to cover one of the most common and important concepts in ReactJS. Once this series is done, I'm going to release another series where we're going to build a live project in React.js together, which will help us gain more experience in building live projects using React. All right, so let's get started. So you can see I have a terminal open here, and now we are going to use Yarn to create our first React project. And if you don't have Yarn in your system, I'm basically going to link the documentation in the description so you can use that to install Yarn. But I already have it in my system, so I'm just going to use this. So Yarn, so I'm going to type Yarn create React app, and then now I have to pass a name for the for the first React project that we are going to set up. All right, so I'm just going to name it first React app and hit enter. And now it is basically fetching a dummy React project from create React app repository, and now it's installing all the dependency needed by our project in order to work. So it's fetching all of those. Just give it a minute. So it's fetching all Jest or Babel, whatever dependency React uses. And yeah, right now it's just fetching it. So here you can see we are all done, and now you can see these commands, right? Yarn start, yarn build, and yarn test. So in order to start our project, firstly and foremost, we're going to go inside that project folder. So we're just going to use change directory, first React app, hit enter, and then it asks us to do yarn start. So once we do yarn start, it will start our application in development mode. So it's starting, it says starting the development servers, and it automatically opens the Chrome browser with localhost 3000. So our application is running on port 3000 on our local system. That's why it says localhost here. And ta-da! So we have our first React app here. You can see, uh, this text here and a link here. So let's open it in our in Visual Studio Code. So I just click on open folder, and I go to projects, first React app, open, and here you can see the source, right? So this is node model, this is all of our dependency. We don't basically don't change anything in node model. So we go to index.js, and you can see it's calling app, which is inside /app, which is app.js. And if we go inside app.js, you can see edit src app.js, which is basically here. So if I edit anything, for example, just say open, hit save, it will automatically just hot reload the page, and you will see the changes here. So for example, I can remove the logo, hit enter, and logo will be removed. And if you go to the terminal, you'll see it's compiling different kind of things. So for example, if I keep it here and just do something like this, and if I make any change, for example, if I save anything, you can see, right, it's compiling, and once it compiles, it kind of update the page. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's how simple it is to set up your own React.js project. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to follow the whole React.js course that I'm going to publish, then please don't forget to subscribe. Also, please like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next part of this course. All right.